I did find out cardboard boxes are great kindling.
Some parts of Texas are going to be getting freezing rain, which is actually much worse. That adds to all of the ice and the snow that is already on the ground and on the roadways, causing so many accidents. Temperatures are not expected to get above freezing until at least Friday.
There's my lumberjack man out there cutting down dead wood. You got some good stuff?
I got a couple. I got one really big good one.
The power went out and I had already mixed up some cornbread. So I decided to go ahead and just stick it on the oven, the wood burning stove, and see if it cooked. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's stuck on the bottom.
It's cooked all the way through.
It's cooked through. It's a little burnt on the bottom. So instead of rolling blackouts, we get rolling power, which means every 4 or 5 hours it comes on for about 30 minutes. There is no hot water for showers, hence the morning here. And actually, if you're in bed and you just stay wrapped up, it's really pretty good. I mean, it's not too bad. And if it's 48 in here where we have the fireplace, although it hasn't been going all night, we kind of decided to conserve our firewood. So since we were bundled up all night, we let the fire die. I mean, we slept okay. It was fine. Just stay bundled. I did find out cardboard boxes are great kindling. All right. It's life in the woods. Our power just came on. It'll probably be on for about 20 minutes. That's all they're giving us. So once the power comes on, we do this mad dash. One of the first things I do is I charge all my external batteries, and then we plug in all our phones. The other thing we do is we start filling up pitchers with filtered water. And right now the water pressure is so low, it takes forever to fill anything. And so I've rigged up this thing where I've duct taped the lever down and put a plastic straw there that can go into the pitcher. And I lifted the pitcher up off the ground, so I don't have to stand there and hold this thing for 5 minutes while it fills. So we brought all our chainsaw batteries into the warmest room of the house, and we just charge up whatever we can while the power's on. So our power just came on for a little bit. And what do you think Hubs is doing? He's gonna make some brownies.